Today I'm swatching for you the Hard Candy Galactic Eyes eyeshadow palette, and I got this in the mail for review, so I will be having a full review coming up soon on this. This is getting ready to hit the stores. It is $8 for the palette. There are 10 shades. This is part of the new Look Pro line. And I just wanted to show you a few things before I got to swatching. My hair is all over it. It actually comes with a real brush instead of one of those eyeshadow like applicators that most drugstore palettes come with. So this does have a real brush, and this is what the shadows look like. We've got a nice selection of neutrals and brights here. It definitely has something for everyone, and the brush is pretty soft, which is nice, but it does have a nice collection, and I love the way this packaging looks. This reminds me of one of the Vice palettes Urban Decay did. The light wants to keep doing that. It reminds me of one of the Urban Decay Vice palettes that they did a few years ago that had this kind of crackled design across the top. I really love the way that looks. I am really excited to play with this. This just came in the mail today, so keep on watching if you'd like to see what these look like on super pasty skin. Like, the camera freaks out because I'm so pale. But yeah, keep on watching if you'd like to see this swatched, and I'll let you guys know my first impressions at the end, and I will have a full review coming up here in the next week. Alright, so we are going to get to swatching the Galactic Eyes palette, and yeah, we will see how I'm going to fit these on my arm. I'm not sure how that's gonna work out, but we're gonna do it. There's no way I can fit finger and brush swatches all on one go for all 10 shades. So that's how we're gonna go about this. Alright, so now we're going to do the finger swatch of the palette. You can still see I'm a little bit red here from taking it off, and I do still have some glitter on me. So sorry about that. I look a little weird. I'm gonna wipe my arm down one more time, because looking on camera I feel like some color payoff was left behind that I'm not seeing in person. Okay. Alright, there we go. So we're gonna get to swatching now. Oh yeah. These feel pretty dry on the finger. They almost feel baked. This feels wetter than the purple. Look at that one. Yeah, that one definitely stuck much better. I really like the color on that purple, the shift. It's got kind of a black undertone though in person that I feel like might not be showing up here. So some of these colors are definitely more silky than others. Oh, that blue. And the driest I would say is the purple out of all these colors. So I'm going to give it one more here so that you can really see it, because that one seemed to be the one that was the driest. So that is the finger swatch. I think that is gorgeous. So definitely use this with a finger when you're applying this. It says that you can use this as either a top coat for your eyeshadow, or you can look at or use it as a, you know, topper, or you can use just these. These were each named, which a lot of Hard Candies palettes, they don't do that. So this one is Supernova. We've got Retrograde, Spaceship, Nebula, Eclipse, Meteor, Blue Moon, Alien, Shooting Star, and Constellation. And I will say that these two shades here are the softest. When I tried to do this one with a brush, I actually had a big piece try to come out. And you can see where I have quite a bit right here, just large, chunky, foily pieces. But when you blend it out with a finger, it definitely seems to blend very well and lay down on the skin. So I cannot wait to play with this on the eyes, but I wanted to get the swatch out for you guys so that you could see. There's not really a lot about this palette online, so I knew that this was going to hit stores, so I wanted to get this out as quick as possible. And I'm going to be using this for the next week, and I'll come back with the full review on what I think about this palette. So thanks so much for watching this video, everyone. Please subscribe if you like these kinds of videos. Thumbs up this video as well. It definitely helps me out with getting this video seen. With small creators now, it's very hard for our content to get out there, and I create this for people to watch. So I would love for you guys to, you know, like, share, just help me out as just watching this, really. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Right before it rains, night.